to the art of vintage-inspired home decor, a style that celebrates character, warmth, and nostalgia. From soft, muted color palettes to careful, curated antiques, delicate lace, and layered textures, vintage decor isn't just about decorating a space, it's about creating a home that feels lived in, loved, and full of personality. Whether you are drawn to the romantic charm of Victorian touches, the rustic warmth of country farmhouse beaches, or the subtle elegance of mid-century accents, there's a vintage-inspired idea here for everyone. So let's explore how to bring history, beauty, and charm into your home, on timeless beach, on cozy corner at a time. Curate a timeline in your decor, arrange pages in a way that tells a story. Combine Victorian, mid-century, and cottage-style items. Rotate objects seasonally or occasionally to keep the space dynamic. Odd numbers like 3, 5, or 7 objects in a grouping look more natural and visually pleasing. Mirrors that add depth and charm. Use ornate frames, beveled edges, or distressed paint for vintage authenticity. Lay mirrors against walls for a casual yet stylish look. Cluster smaller mirrors or different shapes to create a gallery wall effect. Position mirrors to reflect natural light for warmth and spaciousness. Layer textures like a pro. Mix smooth, rough, soft, and hard textures. Velvet cushions, lace toiles, distressed wood, metal accents. Layered rugs, a vintage oriental rug over a neutral jute rug creates depth. Add textured wallpaper, oven baskets, or tactile drawers for subtle interest. Lighting that tells a story. Layer light, candeliers, table lamps, wall sconces, and candles. Mix metals like brass, bronze, and edged silver for character. Try filament style bulbs or candlelight to evoke an old world elegance. Add fairy lights or glass lanterns in corners for cozy glow. Muted pastels. Furniture that speaks. Mix ornate vintage beach with simple, functional modern furniture. Use multifunctional beaches, trunks as coffee tables, ladders for blankets, antique desks for display. Pay attention to legs, carvings, and hardware. Even small details give vintage vibes. Accessories with stories. Display small collections, porcelain, glass bottles, old shocks, and cameras. Handmade items like crochet, embroidery, or patchwork words add authenticity. Odd-numbered groupings make arrangements look curated and intentional. Bring nature indoors. Fresh flowers, dried arrangements, or small potted plants make the space alive. Vintage containers, animal pictures, glass jars, teapots, or urns. Pay attention to vintage details. Shop modern hardware for ceramic, brush, or crystal knobs. Embrace imperfections and timelessness. Avoid overly themed or brand new looking spaces. Imperfections give soul. Combine eras sharply. Mid-century chairs with Victorian mirrors. Plastic shelves with delicate flesh. Let small scratches, faded fabrics, and painted surfaces show their history. Layering and cozy arrangements make spaces feel warm and lived in. Extra subtle vintage drinks, scent, lavender, rose, sandalwood, or vanilla evoke nostalgia. Emphasize vertical space. Don't ignore walls and ceilings. Vintage charm isn't just furniture. Use wall-mounted shelves for books, small antiques, and framed art. Hang vintage-style plates, mirrors, or botanical prints to create height and interest. Play with light and shadow. Layer natural and artificial light. Shade curtains with soft lamps and candles create depth. Highlight a vintage mirror across from a window to balance natural light into darker corners. mix hard and soft textures. Combine own wood, distressed metals, and stone with soft fabrics like velvet, linen, crochet, and plush. Layer rugs of different textures, jute under a faded Persian rug. Mix rough walls, brick or plaster, with soft drapes for tactile contrast. Vintage style lighting everywhere. Use candle sconces, lanterns, and candeliers even in unconventional spaces like hallways or bathrooms. Choose bulbs with warm amber tones for authenticity. Add dimmer switches to create varying modes in the same space. Color layering and patina. Don't stick to a single tone. Layer soft muted shades for depth. Add faded accents like antique gold, muted navy, olive green for elegance. Experiment with distressed paint finishes, glaze, or washes to give walls a lived-in feel. Furniture placement matters. Create conversation areas to chairs facing each other around a coffee table or rug. Allow negative space, don't overcrowd. Vintage charm works best when each piece is highlighted. Thanks for watching the video.